This is the overhand bend. We can also call it a ring bend or a gut bend or a leader bend. We use this for joining two sections of rope together, or in this case, we will be joining two sections of webbing together. This works especially well for webbing. What we will do first is make an overhand loop in one section of the webbing. We will not pull it tightly, but we will just hold it loosely. With our second section of webbing, what we will do is we will just trace back through the same path that our first loop takes. As you see, that lays nice and flat. And now all we need to do to fair this bend is to pull. We'll make sure that we have a bit of our working end, at least 6 inches hanging out on each side of the bend, and that is not going to pull apart. This is the overhand bend.